Okay, so after 2 futile tests, now we think we got it nailed down. At least there's a fair chance. Can you explain what you're doing?
Now trying to get a drill, just touching the board. Yeah, just maybe one more. Come on. Okay, well, I'll leave it at this. Moves it down, just touching set home or set to this. So now I'm going to regard this as the home offset. Set home offset beep. Yeah, and I think I can now start the drilling. Let's put everything in safety. Focus on.
Alright.
Turn on the drill.
So the drill we just basically plug into the wall, so it's gonna run all the time.
Now hopefully it moves 1/2 centimeter up. Okay, go. Can you, if it doesn't work, can you just pull
Right.
this up?
Very nice.
Okay, there we go. Oh,
Okay.
I just moved it.
So it didn't move up, obviously. Okay, you have it?
No.
The middle one?
The
The middle one, right? Okay. So it's a pretty powerful motor. Okay.
It should have moved up, but I think...
Yeah, so we had to modify, or you rather had to modify the G-code. I guess the default Okay, so we'll report back.